In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a contact on the Gmail app. Okay, so if I go ahead and tap on the Gmail app, it's going to open up my inbox, and you want to make sure that you're on the correct account first. So once you've done that, you can see if I go ahead and tap on those three lines at the top left, it's going to show me all of these options. And if I scroll down a bit, it says Google Apps, and one of the apps there is Contacts. You want to go ahead and make sure that you have that Contacts app installed. So to install it, you can just tap on it, and if I tap on it now, it's going to open it up. But if you haven't downloaded it already, it's going to ask you to download the Contacts app. So that is the first step. And then the second step is you need to make sure that your contacts are syncing within your phone settings. So if I go to my phone settings, so I'm on my settings and I'm on an Android device, but if you're on an iPhone, just make sure that your Google accounts are syncing with your contacts. So if I just scroll down to where it says users and accounts, if I tap on that and then I tap on Google, it's going to show me all of the accounts that are synced currently. And my Gmail account is synced, so that's all I need to do. And if you want to make sure that the account is syncing, just tap on the account that you want to make sure that it's syncing, and then you can see sync contacts, and then you want to make sure that you toggle that on. Then you can go back into the Gmail app, and then you can tap on Contacts underneath Google Apps. That's going to open up like your contacts book, and you can see by the profile image at the top right that I'm on the correct account. And to add a new contact, you just tap on the blue plus icon at the bottom right, and you can go ahead and add the contact by putting in their first name, their last name, and then their email, and then hitting the save button at the top right. Then that contact will be added and it will be synced with your Gmail account. So that is how you add a contact on the Gmail app. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.